somebody's alarm went off at 6 a.m. So my alarm still hasn't gone off yet because it is not even 6:30 yet. I am awake. We'll be ready to go in a little bit.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no
I'm gonna
use.
give you your shoes.
Okay.
Obviously, I'm running by myself today because that's not a running shirt
No,
or workout shirt.
I don't get to run today. Darn.
Well, I'm going to go run in just a few minutes, but I gotta put my contacts in.
I like my running partner. I just don't like running.
He'd rather jump rope.
I actually would. Now, if you give me the option to jump rope, I would like to jump rope, but I don't like to run. I'm going to work. You're going to work.
Out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
something like that. See ya.
Love you.
'Cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
This is hard to do without somebody to help keep me motivated as I go along. Last hill before the house. I will say I found it easier to get up with the windows open, the sun shining in this morning rather than to the curtains being drawn. It made me want to get out of bed a little bit more. Plus, I have a reason to get out of bed to come run. This is day 2 for me of running. If you're just now seeing this, I challenge you to run every day for 1 week, just a mile and a half, and see how it changes you. I read an article in a running magazine, and that's what's inspired me on to do this. I want to give it a try. I encourage you, give it a try. Run every day for a week. Do a workout. I recommend the chest workouts at home. That's what I'm going to do. It's chest workouts at home with dumbbells. Card. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button if you like these videos.